Hi everyone, I'm Ofri from Ment.io, and today I'm going to show you how to log into Ment.io from your Canvas environment. Before we start, it's important to note that if your Ment.io team is integrated with Canvas or any other LMS, or learning management system, then the only way to access it will be through that platform and not by going to the Ment.io website. Let's begin. First, log into Canvas and go to the relevant course. Next, find the relevant lesson to which there is a Ment.io discussion attached as an activity. Click on the title of the activity. That will lead you to a page inviting you to open Ment.io directly from Canvas with no additional sign-in. Clicking on the Open Ment.io button takes you to the courses team. From here, you just need to select the relevant discussion and join in.
I hope that was helpful. For more questions, please feel free to reach out at support@ment.io. Thank you for watching.